This isn't luck, it's a system. $2.76 million all from launching my own tokens. No pump groups, no influencers, just execution. Watch closely because I'm giving you the full play. Everyone is trying to trade meme coins and hit the jackpot, but they're doing it wrong. I used to do the same, chasing hype, jumping into random coins, hoping to get in early, but most of the time, I was just exit liquidity. Then I realized the truth. The real money isn't in buying meme coins, it's in launching them. When you are the one who launches, you are in full control. You set the supply, you control the first buy, and you decide the price action. Instead of gambling on someone else's idea, you create your own and let the buyers come to you. It's the same exact energy but flipped. You go from being a desperate trader to the one making bank while others FOMO in. And the best part? It's fully repeatable. Once you know how to launch a coin, you can do it over and over again. So if you are still just trading meme coins, you are playing the wrong side of the game. By the way, this video does not constitute financial advice, so please don't copy me. Cap! Pump.Fun feels like a traffic jam. Hundreds of coins launching every single second and barely any of them getting noticed. Most of them sit in the unlaunched queue. No exposure, no traction, no real control. That's why I use create tokens.io from now on. Your coin goes live on Raydium instantly. No waiting, no bottlenecks, and most importantly, it gets graduated immediately. So you get fucking a shit ton of volume, real buyers, and visibility from second you launch the coin. If you are serious about making your coin pop, this is where you do it. Now you've got two ways to launch on createtokens.io, and both are stupid simple. First method, build your own coin. Pick a meme that's going viral. Maybe a celeb moment, a trending tweet, or a funny video. Then, set a name, a symbol, and drop in a 128 by 128 logo, click next, and boom, it's ready to mint. Second method, and my personal favorite, copy trending coins right here. These are live coins pulled from Pump.Fun that are already getting traffic. You just click copy and it launches instantly on Raydium. No waiting, no tweaking. And because you're cloning hype that already exists, buyers show up fast. You're not hoping people notices it, you're riding volume that's already there. That's where the real flips happen. Now let's stop dragging it out, it's time to launch. So first of all, make sure your wallet is connected, then refresh list, and we're gonna look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna go with the DGN coin, it looks kinda decent. It has a 40k market cap and it last by 3 seconds ago. Create coin, wait for Phantom White to pop up. And yes, you will get a warning from Phantom to say that it's malicious, but trust me bro, it's not. Like thousands of people use this website. Proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be copied shortly. You just have to be patient for a bit. Boom! And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step's easy. We're setting up liquidity so people can buy and sell your token. Your token and your SOL are already selected right here. So amount token A, click on 90%. That's gonna put 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Now for the token B, this is your first buy into your own token. You are not losing these funds. It's just there to create the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and you'll get back later when you pull out the liquidity. Now I'm gonna put 0.4 SOL. Now you can honestly put whatever you want. Just make sure it's above 0.3 and you're not losing that money. Like I said, make sure you have enough. Create pool. Then click on confirm. And boom, after that click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the DGN coin is now live. Now if you want to see your profits go up, just click on refresh real quick. And boom, now our profits are at $140, which is amazing. Now, if you want to see the chart, click on view on photon and boom, now the coin is live. Let me go on full screen. Now, all you have to do is just fucking wait for the chart to pop up. Boom. Now, all you have to do is just fucking sit back, watch all the buyers come in. These are late, by the way. And yeah, bro, Anyways, we're starting at the $1.3 thousand market cap. We're gonna see where we're at after the time lapse. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. As you guys can see by the chart, we are at the 3.1k market cap. Now everything looks good. Now to cash out profits, come back to createtokens.io. Then first of all, click on refresh to see our money. And as you guys can see, we are at a $1.4 thousand in profit with 3.3k in market cap. Now click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, and as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 8.3 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom, that's exactly how you fucking pump and then dump a coin. And if we open my Phantom wallet, boom, all the money is there.